In today's video, I will show you how to pay your Wayfair credit card. You can make a Wayfair credit card payment online, by phone, or by mail. To pay online, log into your account and find the payment button. From there, you can choose your payment amount, the date you want it to process, and the source of the payment. You can also set up automatic payments through Citibank to ensure your bills are always paid on time. If you prefer to pay by phone, simply call 1-800-365-2714 and follow the prompts to enter your card information. For those who prefer to pay by mail, you can send a check or money order to City Retail Services at P.O. Box 70267, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19176 20267. Remember to write your credit card number on the check and avoid sending cash. Be sure to mail your payment early enough so that it arrives by your due date. And that's it. That's how you pay your Wayfair credit card. Thank you for watching.